Hey friends, welcome back. If you're new here, I share stories about growth, courage, and daily habits, often through lessons I've learned running my own pizza business. Because believe it or not, pizza has a lot to teach us about life. Today's story, the first customer, and why one person matters. Do you remember the very first time someone believed in you? For me, it was the very first customer who walked into my pizza stall. Today, I want to share why that moment, one person saying yes, is proof that starting small can change everything. I still remember it was like yesterday. We had just opened. The lights were on. The oven was warm. Every other store was in action. And I was terrified. Would anyone come? Would they trust this new little stall tucked away on the corner? Then one person walked in. One order was placed. And just like that, all the fear turned into fuel. That one customer didn't just buy pizza. They gave me belief. Sometimes we wait for a crowd, for applause, for 1,000 followers. But the truth, it only takes one. One customer, one person who says, I see you. One chance to prove yourself. Small beginnings are not insignificant. They are sacred. So maybe you have started something recently, a blog, a side hustle, a new job, and it feels like nobody notices. You feel lonely. But think about it. Even if one person reads your post, tries your product, or thank you for showing up, that's enough to start. Because one can make two, and two becomes 10. Before you know it, you've built momentum. The first customer was proof that I don't need a crowd to validate my dream. I needed courage to show up, even when it feels empty. The rest will follow, but only if I dare to serve the first one. So here is my challenge for you. Celebrate your first customer. Maybe it's your first subscriber, your first supporter, or even just yourself taking the first step. Write it down and remember it, because when the crowd comes later, you'll never forget the one who came first. If this spoke to you, hit that subscribe button, because your journey deserves encouragement every step of the way. Never despise small beginnings. The first customer is more than enough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode where you learn the power of resilience.